Hey there, welcome back to the series of nature and significance of management. In this video, we'll talk about the objective of management. This is OBC Online Business Class. If you are visiting this channel first time, please consider to subscribe. In previous video, we talked about the characteristic of management. In this video, we'll talk about the objective of management. Objective means goal. Every organization has goal. Some has multiple, but the objective can be classified into three groups. One is organizational objective, social objective, and individual objective. The first one, organizational objective. Obviously, management is accountable for establishment of objective, but these objectives should take by considering owners, shareholders, employees and government in order to fulfill the economic objective of business. Organizational objective further classified into three categories, that is survival, profit and growth. Survival means every organization has objective of survival. It can be done by covering cost, but how they cover cost? By earning sufficient revenue, they can cover cost. If we take a look at the example, Raju owns a shop. He invested 10,000 including all the cost. Then he must earn at least 10,000 to cover all the cost. Otherwise, he can't survive. Next point, profit. Just survival is not enough for any organization. Organization must earn profit to cover the cost and risk of a business. Third point, growth. Whenever Raju gets a regular profit, he expands the business. How is that possible? Because of regular profit helps to expand the business. How can we say that business is expanded? By these following points. Increase in revenue, increase in number of employees, increase in production. By these points, we can say organization is growing. Moving on to second category of objective of management, that is social objective. This objective doesn't give initial benefit to the organization. Social benefit means whether it's a government or a private, they must commitment towards the society. Then what are the commitments? The commitments are usually providing high quality products at reasonable price, using eco-friendly method of production, or generating employment opportunity to the society. By these kind of commitment, organization can get affected by long term. Third point, personal and individual objective. It is related to employees who work in organization, usually providing good salary and other benefits. Even some employees or individuals also expect self-respect, peer recognition, respect from the colleagues, and also self-development. These are the objective of management. Click here to watch next video about importance of management, or go back and watch characteristic of management.